Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will learn how to merge two dictionaries in Python. Merging dictionaries is a common task in programming and Python makes it really easy. So let's dive into it. We are given two dictionaries and the task is to merge them into one. If there are any common keys, the value from the second dictionary should override those from the first dictionary. So if there are any common keys, the value from the second dictionary should override those from the first dictionary. So here's an example. This is the dictionary 1 containing 1, 2, then dictionary 2 with B3 and C4. Here B is same, so the value in the dictionary 2, which is B3, should override the value in D1, which is B2. So the result should be like A1, then B3 and C4. So this is the code implementation of it. So let me explain it. So first we define a function merge_dict that takes two dictionaries as input. So first we define a function merge_dictionaries that takes two dictionaries as input. Then we create a copy of the first dictionary using the copy method, and this is important to avoid modifying the original dictionary. So copying the dictionary will help to avoid modifying the original dictionary. So then we use update method to merge the second dictionary into the copy. If there are common keys, the value from the second dictionary will override the values in the copy as we discussed earlier. So finally we return the merged dictionary, and here we are defining two dictionaries, dictionary 1 and dictionary 2, and then we call the merge dictionaries function to get the merge result, and we will print it. So let's test this. So let's give dictionary, yeah, it is already here. So let's run this. The merge dictionaries are A1, B3, C4 as we expected. So the key concept we learned are copying the dictionary using the copy to avoid modifying the original dictionary, then merging dictionary using update to merge dictionaries and handle key conflicts. Then we handle the overlapping keys. We discussed how values from the second dictionary override the first dictionary's values when key overlaps. So and that's how you can easily merge two dictionaries in Python. This is a simple but powerful technique for working with data in Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials, and stay tuned for more coding challenges, and as always, happy coding.